Have you been eating more protein, lifting weights, doing everything right, but still can't seem to build muscle like you used to? Or maybe you wake up with stiff, aching joints that make it harder to stay active. If you're over 50 and nodding your head right now, you're not alone. Thousands of seniors are dealing with the same frustration. And here's what most doctors won't tell you. You might be missing the one nutrient that could change everything. I'm talking about collagen. Not just any collagen, but bioavailable collagen and marine collagen that your body can actually absorb and use to rebuild aging muscles and repair worn-out joints. In the next 30 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how collagen can help you recover faster, reduce joint pain, and finally start seeing results from your workouts. Plus, I'll share simple, delicious recipes like fish skin broth and chicken feet broth that are packed with the collagen your body desperately needs. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on healthy aging and muscle recovery. And stick around until the end because I'll tell you how to download our premium ebook, 80+ protein-packed meals to strengthen your bones and muscles after 50. Trust me, you'll want this resource. All right, let's get into it. So why does building muscle feel impossible after 50? The answer is something called sarcopenia, which is just a fancy medical term for age-related muscle loss. Here's what happens. Starting around age 30, we naturally begin losing about 3 to 8% of our muscle mass per decade. But after 50, that loss accelerates. Some studies show we can lose up to 15% of our muscle mass every 10 years if we don't take action. Picture this. You're at the gym 3 times a week. You're eating chicken breast, drinking protein shakes, doing everything the fitness magazines say, but when you look in the mirror, nothing's changed. Your arms still look the same, your legs still feel weak, and your knees, they hurt more than ever. Sound familiar? Here's the problem. Most people focus only on protein quantity, how many grams they're eating. But after 50, your body doesn't just need more protein. It needs the right building blocks to actually use that protein effectively. And that's where collagen comes in. Collagen isn't just about skin and wrinkles. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up about 30% of your total protein. It's in your muscles, tendons, and ligaments and joints. Without enough collagen, your body can't properly repair muscle tissue after exercise, and your joints can't cushion and protect themselves from wear and tear. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your muscles together and the oil that keeps your joints moving smoothly. When you don't have enough, everything starts breaking down, literally. And here's the kicker. Your body's natural collagen production drops by about 1 to 1.5% every year after age 20. By the time you're 50, you've lost nearly half of your collagen production capability. That's why muscle recovery takes longer, why your joints ache more, and why building muscle feels like an uphill battle. Drop a comment right now and tell me, what's your biggest frustration with muscle recovery after 50? Is it the joint pain, the slow progress, or something else? I read every comment and I want to hear from you. Okay, so now you know the problem, let's talk about the solution. Collagen supplementation, specifically marine collagen and bioavailable collagen. First, what makes collagen bioavailable? Bioavailable simply means your body can actually absorb and use it. Not all collagen is created equal. Some forms of collagen are too large for your body to break down effectively. But bioavailable collagen, often called hydrolyzed collagen, has been broken down into smaller peptides that your digestive system can absorb quickly and efficiently. Now, marine collagen comes from fish, specifically fish skin and scales. It's considered one of the most bioavailable forms of collagen because it's predominantly type 1 collagen, which is the same type found in your skin, bones, tendons, and muscles. Now here's where it gets exciting. For seniors focused on muscle recovery and joint health, marine collagen isn't just about collagen peptides. When you consume fish skin broth, which is loaded with marine collagen, you're also getting omega-3 fatty acids. These are the same anti-inflammatory compounds found in salmon and sardines that help reduce joint pain and muscle soreness. And let's talk about chicken feet broth. I know, it sounds unusual if you've never tried it, but chicken feet are absolutely packed with collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, the exact same compounds found in expensive joint supplements at the pharmacy. Glucosamine and chondroitin are critical for joint health because they help rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and improve joint mobility. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume these compounds experience significant reductions in joint pain and improve flexibility. So when you drink a cup of rich, gelatinous chicken feet broth or fish skin broth, you're not just getting collagen, you're getting a complete joint health and muscle recovery powerhouse in a single serving. Here's what collagen does for your body after 50. 1. Supports muscle protein synthesis. Collagen contains specific amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline that signal your muscles to grow and repair after exercise. 2. Reduces recovery time. Studies show that collagen supplementation can reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery by up to 24 hours compared to no supplementation. 3. Strengthens tendons and ligaments. This is crucial for injury prevention. Stronger connective tissue means you can lift heavier and exercise more safely. 4. Reduces joint pain. Multiple studies have shown that daily collagen intake significantly reduces joint pain in people with osteoarthritis, one of the most common conditions affecting seniors. 5. Fights inflammation. The omega-3s in marine collagen and the amino acids in all collagen types help reduce chronic inflammation, which is one of the biggest obstacles to muscle building after 50. Quick question for you. Have you ever tried bone broth or collagen supplements? If yes, did you notice any difference in your energy or joint pain? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. All right, now let's get practical. How do you actually get more collagen into your diet? I'm going to give you simple, actionable strategies you can start using today. Strategy 1. Fish skin broth. This is one of the easiest and most nutrient-dense sources of marine collagen. You can make it at home or buy it from Asian grocery stores. Here's a basic recipe. Save the skin and bones from fish like salmon, cod, or snapper. Add them to a pot with water, a splash of apple cider vinegar, this helps extract the collagen, some ginger, garlic, and vegetables. Simmer for 3 to 4 hours on low heat. Strain and drink the broth daily. You'll know you did it right when the broth forms a jelly-like consistency in the fridge. That's pure collagen. 1 cup of fish skin broth can provide 10 to 15 grams of collagen, plus those beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Drink it in the morning or after your workout for maximum muscle recovery benefits. Strategy 2. Chicken feet broth. I know, this one sounds intimidating, but trust me, it's a game changer for joint health. Here's how to make it. Get chicken feet from your butcher or Asian market, usually very inexpensive. Blanch them in boiling water for 5 minutes, then drain. Add them to a pot with water, vegetables, herbs, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Simmer for 6 to 8 hours, or use a pressure cooker for 90 minutes. Strain and enjoy. The result is a rich, gelatinous broth packed with collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin. Seniors who drink this regularly report significant improvements in joint mobility and reduced morning stiffness. Strategy 3. Hydrolyzed collagen powder. If making broth isn't your thing, no problem. You can buy high-quality hydrolyzed collagen powder, also called collagen peptides, and add it to your morning coffee or tea, smoothies, oatmeal, or soups. Look for grass-fed bovine collagen or wild-caught marine collagen. Aim for 10 to 20 grams per day, ideally taken within 30 to 60 minutes after exercise for optimal muscle recovery. Strategy 4. Eat collagen-rich foods. Beyond broths and supplements, you can get collagen from bone-in meats and fish, organ meats like liver, also high in protein and nutrients, eggs, especially the membrane in the shell, sardines with bones. Here's a collagen-focused day might look like. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with smoked salmon, marine collagen, topped with avocado. Mid-morning, cup of fish skin broth or collagen coffee. Lunch, chicken soup made with bone-in chicken thighs and vegetables. Afternoon snack, Greek yogurt with berries and a scoop of collagen powder. Dinner, slow-cooked beef shank with roasted vegetables. Before bed,
a cup of chicken feet broth with ginger and turmeric. The key is consistency. Your body needs a steady supply of collagen to repair muscles and joints day after day. Make it a daily habit, just like taking your vitamins. Here's my challenge for you. Try adding one collagen-rich food or broth to your routine this week, and then come back and comment below with what you tried and how you felt. I can't wait to hear from you.
Now I don't want you to just take my word for it. Let's look at what the science actually says about collagen for muscle recovery and joint health in seniors. A 2015 study published in the British Journal of Nutrition looked at older men with sarcopenia who took 15 grams of collagen peptides daily while doing resistance training. After 12 weeks, they gained significantly more muscle mass and strength compared to the placebo group, even though both groups did the same exercises. The researchers concluded that collagen supplementation combined with exercise is an effective strategy to fight sarcopenia and improve body composition in seniors. A 2017 study examined people with knee osteoarthritis who took 10 grams of collagen daily for 6 months. The results? Significant improvements in joint pain, stiffness, and physical function. Many participants reported being able to walk longer distances and climb stairs with less discomfort. Research from Penn State University showed that athletes who took collagen supplements experienced reduced joint pain during activity and faster recovery times after intense exercise. While this study focused on younger athletes, the principles apply even more to seniors whose recovery naturally takes longer. Let me share a real-world example. I recently spoke with Margaret, a 67-year-old woman from Miami who struggled with knee pain and couldn't maintain her muscle mass despite working out regularly. After 3 months of drinking fish skin broth daily and adding collagen peptides to her morning smoothie, she reported 60% reduction in knee pain, ability to walk her dog for 45 minutes without discomfort, visible muscle definition in her arms and legs, and faster recovery after her twice-weekly strength training sessions. Stories like Margaret's aren't unusual. When you give your body the building blocks it needs, specifically bioavailable collagen, it can finally do what you've been asking it to do: build muscle and repair joints. If you've had success with collagen or bone broth, please share your story in the comments. Your experience could inspire someone else to take action today. Now here's something most people don't know. Certain foods can actually interfere with collagen production and absorption. If you're consuming collagen but also eating these foods regularly, you're basically taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. Avoid 1. High glycemic foods. Foods like white rice, white bread, pastries, and sugary snacks cause rapid blood sugar spikes. This leads to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff and brittle. Glycation accelerates collagen breakdown and makes it harder for your body to produce new collagen. Avoid 2. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption depletes your body of vitamin C and other nutrients essential for collagen synthesis. It also causes inflammation, which directly damages collagen in your muscles and joints. If you're serious about muscle recovery after 50, limit alcohol to special occasions. Avoid 3. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, deli meats, and sausages contain advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, and inflammatory compounds that damage collagen and increase oxidative stress. They also often contain high levels of sodium, which can worsen joint inflammation. Avoid 4. Excessive caffeine. While moderate coffee is fine, excessive caffeine, more than 3 to 4 cups daily, can interfere with collagen synthesis by depleting your body's mineral stores and disrupting sleep, which is when most muscle recovery happens. Instead of those foods, focus on complex carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice, lean proteins with collagen like fish, chicken thighs with skin, and bone-in meats, anti-inflammatory foods like berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish, and plenty of water to keep your joints lubricated and help your body process collagen. Remember, you can't out-supplement a bad diet. Collagen works best when your overall nutrition supports your goals of muscle building after 50 and healthy aging. All right, we've covered a lot in the last 30 minutes. Let me quickly recap the key takeaways. 1. After 50, sarcopenia makes muscle building harder, but bioavailable collagen can give your body the tools it needs to rebuild muscle and repair joints. 2. Marine collagen from fish skin broth and collagen from chicken feet broth
provide not just collagen, but omega-3 fatty acids, glucosamine, and chondroitin, everything your aging muscles and joints need. 3. Consistency is key. Make collagen a daily habit through broth, supplements, or collagen-rich foods. 4. Avoid foods like white rice, alcohol, and processed meats that sabotage your collagen and slow your recovery. Now, here's what I want you to do next. First, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos on muscle recovery, healthy aging, and senior nutrition. Second, drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest challenge in rebuilding muscle after 50? Is it the joint pain, the slow progress? I want to hear from you because your feedback helps me create better content for our community. And third, share this video with someone who needs it. Maybe a friend, a spouse, or a workout buddy who's also struggling with sarcopenia or joint pain. Together, we can help more seniors stay strong and active. And finally, I have a special gift for you. Head down to the description right now and download our premium ebook, 80+ protein-packed meals to strengthen your bones and muscles after 50. This ebook is packed with delicious, easy-to-make recipes specifically designed for seniors who want to build muscle, protect their joints, and age strong. Remember, aging doesn't mean getting weaker. With the right nutrition, especially collagen, you can rebuild your muscles, heal your joints, and feel stronger than you have in years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep aging like the champion you are.